Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you in the Notes app how to actually change the name of a file or rename that file. Now when you launch, you'll see that you have your notes that includes joins, text, you name it. Now of course they might have no title or they'll be called new note. Usually we go here and we tap on the create a note, and then of course a new note is created. So for example, I could go ahead and double tap. Once I double tap and I'm in here, let's say for example I want to draw something or write something, so I'm gonna do a basic writing. All right, so let's say for example this is the module. Once there's enough data, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna press hold and slide down. You're gonna notice then this option here, it says test module. Now it will give the file a name based on usually something you write. So usually it needs something to title the file off. Usually it's what you have typed or written. So we're gonna hit edit. So it's referring to here. It says test module. I'm gonna name this notes for class. All right. So we hit notes for class, and as you can see, it's there and it's called notes for class. For example, if I were to exit and re-enter, you'll notice its name there. It says notes for class and the file is there. I can reopen. Now what if for example it's one that's existing already? Simply tap, and from the preview window here you can press and hold down and hit edit. I'm gonna call this one hand drawing. So hand drawing, sorry, and I'm gonna hit done. So hand drawing, I'm gonna hit done, and there you go, it's written as hand drawing. So notes are class. You can now organize all your notes by doing this to actually in notes to actually give these titles. That's if you wish, and you won't have any blank ones that actually only say new notes. It's a bit tricky, as it would have been more helpful to give us the ability to rename, but that's the way I've found to rename all of my stuff. All right, so hope that was helpful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.